For many of us, coffee is an essential part of daily life, with its vibrant, rich aroma and its unforgettable taste. It brings us together with family and friends, and it boosts us for our day ahead. In Middle Eastern culture, coffee is traditionally prepared on the stovetop in a copper vessel known as a bri or a rakwa. It's a beautiful way to make coffee, but it's often inconsistent and it can get a little messy. Meet Zou Zou, the coffee machine that creates delicious and authentic Arabic coffee in a new and convenient way. With Zou Zou, your coffee is always consistent. It can prepare up to 10 cups at a time, so no more waiting by the stove when friends and family are over. Simply select the number of cups, add coffee and sugar, and let Zou Zou take care of the rest. Visit our website and pre-order your Zou Zou coffee machine today.